Hi everybody, Andrew Cherin, personal injury lawyer here. I represent people injured in car accidents, and today I want to answer a common question that I get. It's, how much will I have to pay a lawyer for if I hire somebody for a car accident injury case? And a lot of people have this conception that lawyers are super expensive and they can't afford one. And this is one of the rare situations where you really can afford a lawyer, and it's a situation where you can't afford not to hire a lawyer. We give free consultations and we're paid out of the settlement. Being paid out of the settlement and being paid on a contingency fee basis is huge. That means that we as personal injury lawyers are only paid when you get a settlement. And if we can't get a settlement, we're not going to charge you anything for the case. And so there's no out-of-pocket costs. And when we are paid, if there is a settlement, I'm always going to break down to my client what they're going to get in their pocket after my fees paid, after the medical bills are paid back, and what it's actually going to look like. So a lot of the times, 100% of the time, my client's never paying me out of their pocket. It's coming out of the settlement check, but they're never actually on the hook for actually paying me anything. It all comes out of the check and the settlement, and it's all perfectly transparent out front, and you know what you're going to get in all these situations. So it's it's a win-win situation really to hire a personal injury lawyer in these cases, versus for a criminal lawyer you got to pay a lot of money up front. You're paying $2,500 retainer fee or $5,000 retainer fee, and then you owe them hourly of $300 an hour at the end of the case, and you got to make sure they're all paid. In this situation, you don't have to give any money to the lawyer up front or give them any money, out of your pocket in almost any situation that I can think of. It all just comes out of the settlement. So it's, how can you afford not to hire a personal injury lawyer? It just totally makes sense. You get more money in your pocket in the end because you have a professional representing you, making sure that your rights are fully reserved and you're getting the true compensation that you deserve, based on case law, based on previous cases that your personal injury lawyer has seen before that are similar to yours, and making sure that you're getting the full treatment that you need to really show what your case value is fully, and making sure that you're covered for workers' compensation, or not workers' compensation, but your lost wages that you've received. So it's a win-win situation to hire a lawyer. If you have been in a car accident, I give free consultations, so give me a call. My number here is 206-850-6716.